Do you want to learn everything there is to know about HTML and CSS? Then you're in the right place. My name is Pavel, and in this course I'll be covering everything you need to go from someone with zero HTML and CSS knowledge to someone with some HTML and CSS knowledge. The only prerequisite you need is your time, nothing else. If you haven't written a single line of code in your entire life, that's okay, because in this course, we'll be starting from scratch and go all the way up to the top. We'll also be making a very simple blog website project just using HTML and CSS. I'll be covering a lot of syntax, basics, as well as concepts in this series. And the best part about this course, it's free. It's absolutely free and you don't have to pay a single cent for it. When you learn stuff online, it gets boring, but I'll try my best to make sure that you find it interesting. So I hope you enjoy this series, and also make sure to subscribe to this channel and also share it with your friends.